Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best Maya chai concentrates on the market, the Maya Chai Tea Concentrate, Heritage Recipe, Original. If you're a fan of chai lattes, chai teas, or anything with that comforting spicy kick, this product is going to blow your mind. Maya Chai Tea Concentrate is a versatile, all-natural chai tea concentrate that brings the authentic taste of traditional Indian chai right to your cup. This concentrate is made with carefully dialed ingredients, combining bold South Indian black tea with a medley of spices like cardamom, cinnamon, star anise, and cloves. What makes this concentrate special is the harmonious blend of these whole spices, paired with organic cane sugar, offering you a perfect balance of sweet and spicy without any artificial additives. One of the best features of the Maya Chai Tea Concentrate is how easy it is to use. With just 1 ounce of concentrate mixed with 11 ounces of milk or a milk alternative, you can create a rich, flavorful chai latte in no time. Whether you prefer your chai hot or iced, this concentrate is incredibly versatile. It's perfect for a quick pick-me-up in the morning, a soothing afternoon break, or even added to smoothies for a spiced twist. Not only is this concentrate delicious, but it's also incredibly cost-effective. Each 64-ounce bottle can make up to 64 servings, which means you can enjoy a fresh chai latte at home for just a fraction of the cost of buying one at a cafe. Plus, with the included white pump, it's easy to dispense the perfect amount every time. Whether you're an experienced barista or a beginner, this concentrate makes you feel like a pro in your own kitchen. The Maya Chai Tea Concentrate is made with high-quality ingredients. It uses whole leaf tea from South India, which is renowned for its bold flavor. The addition of spices like black pepper and chili pepper adds depth and complexity, giving your chai an extra kick. The organic cane sugar adds just the right amount of sweetness, and the whole spices, ground to perfection, ensure that every sip is bursting with authentic flavor. What makes this concentrate stand out in the crowded world of chai concentrates is its commitment to authenticity and flavor. Maya Chai is crafted using a heritage recipe passed down through generations, bringing you a taste of real, traditional Indian chai in every bottle. So, whether you're craving a warm, spicy latte, or looking for a way to spice up your smoothie, the Maya Chai Tea Concentrate is a game-changer. It's a convenient, flavorful, and affordable way to enjoy high-quality chai in the comfort of your own home. If you're ready to step up your chai game and experience the best chai concentrate out there, the Maya Chai Tea Concentrate is definitely worth trying. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for more information and where you can grab a bottle for yourself. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.